Hello friends and welcome to my channel. I am Alyson Lupo, otherwise known as Real Life Curly Girl, and I'm introducing myself because I haven't been on YouTube in quite a long time, but I wanted to say hello. I wanted to welcome you here. This is a safe space for all wavies and curlies, so welcome. I hope you stick around, you watch a few videos, you learn a couple of things here about how to take care of your wavy and curly hair. I also am very excited. The reason I'm filming this little teeny tiny video is to tell you about a new class I have finally released. So it is the replay of my previously filmed DIY haircutting class. I was lucky enough to have 7 wonderful participants, all with very different hair needs and very different hair textures and curl patterns. So the class worked out beautifully. We were able to go through and do everything from fringe to face frame to layers and a little bit of length. Do we all have our shears? Yes. Excellent. Beautiful. Is anybody planning on doing anything with a guarded razor tonight? So you're going to insert that razor right where it needs to go, and then 1, and then put it next to this, and then go 2.
You're not going all the way to the end.
No.
Okay.
No, that's how you cut out way too much hair. That's a great question. So you can also create yourself a channel underneath, okay? And you're gonna put it in here and go like this, and then go like that. And do the same thing, and that's gonna help you
Loosen this up.
less voluminous out here, so that it'll bring your shape in a little bit more diamond-y.
And then we're starting from the inside.
Always the inside. A lot of the time, wavy and curly haircuts are not technically accurate haircuts because your hair itself is not technically accurate. I'm gonna bring this piece of hair way over my head. Using the staggering technique is immensely helpful. Oh, I can't believe I did this.
Thank you.
Thank you. So many of you have asked for this for so long, and I'm so excited it's finally out. It's a 2-hour class. It is long. It is very long, but it's very thorough. I mean, we did it all. We learned about over direction. We learned about elevation, some very basic hairdresser things. We learned how to hold our shears this way. We learned how to hold our shears this way, cutting our own hair. We learned how to use a guarded razor. We learned how to do all kinds of things together. We learned how to debulk. We learned how to create more curl. We learned how to, we did it all. It was so much fun. So this class is available now on my website. It's alysonlupo.com. Right down here, you can see it, very easy to find. The class is, such a bargain of a class. It's going to pay for itself in like 1 or 2 of your haircuts. So I hope that you will give it a shot, check it out, and I hope you enjoy it.